Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to make an Argentina Steam account quickly and easily. First, go to the Steam website and click on Create an Account. Fill in your email and password, then verify your account through the confirmation email. Next, log in to your new Steam account and head to your homepage. Now you'll need a VPN, connect to a server in Argentina. This step is key to accessing regional pricing. After that, go to the Steam store. It might load slowly since you're connected through Argentina, but that's normal. Now, browse for a game you'd like to buy and add it to your cart. When you reach the checkout page, you should see prices listed in Argentinian pesos. That means your VPN is working. To complete, go ahead with the purchase. Just make sure you're following Steam's terms of service and using your VPN responsibly. And that's it. You've just created an Argentina Steam account and unlocked regional pricing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.